Welcome to my video. Private label rights, is it a scam? This is a Resell Rights Vault video. In the description below this video, I have a link for you to get over 1,000 digital products that you can sell as your own and keep 100% of the profit. Also hit the show more button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online. Okay, let's get started. The internet is filled with millions of business opportunities. Many of these opportunities are legitimate, but others are not. One of the opportunities that you may found online involves the buying of private label resell rights. Unfortunately, there are too many individuals who mistakenly believe that this business opportunity is a scam. The reality is that it is a real, legitimate way to make money. If you are interested in purchasing the resell rights to a private label product, you will first have to find a product to purchase. There are a number of different products available, however, most of them are either for e-books or software programs. Once you have found a product that you would be interested in obtaining the resell rights to, you will then have to find a specific product to purchase. This can easily be done by searching the internet. When it comes to selling a product, whether that product was obtained through private label resell rights or not, you need to find effective marketing strategies and selling methods. These methods may include the use of online classified ads, the use of online auction websites, or the development of a product website. Before deciding on a particular selling method, you are advised to examine the advantages and disadvantages of each. This is important because different selling methods work different ways for different individuals and products. No two have the same results. With online classifieds, you will find that most are free to use. That is why online classifieds are a great way to market your private label product. Unlike many other advertising methods, they do not require any additional expenses. If you are interested in finding a free classified website, you can easily do so by performing a standard internet search. That search should produce a number of results. Those results should be links to online classified websites. Another popular selling method is to create your own website. This website should be used to outline the product which you are selling and the cost of it. Even if you do not know how to design your own website, you should be able to take part in this popular and effective selling method. Professional website developers can create a professional website for a small fee, or you can build your own website with the assistance of a site builder or pre-made website template. It is also important that you add a shopping cart that accepts PayPal or credit cards to your site. This shopping cart will enable your customers to purchase your product online. You can also use an online auction website to sell your product. Online auction websites will give your product the opportunity to be viewed by thousands, if not millions, of consumers. The only problem with online auction websites is that more and more individuals are using this selling method to sell products, which they have acquired the resell rights to. This competition may make it difficult or impossible for your product to sell. Private label resell rights are an amazing opportunity, but you need to know how to make that opportunity work. By keeping the above-mentioned points in mind, you should be able to make money by selling a product that you didn't even create. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Be sure to watch my other videos. Click on the link in the description below to get over 1,000 digital products, all with master resell rights. Also hit the show more button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online.